Oh yeah.
Oh wow. That AT's good.
It's missing the chin guns, but I think that's the version you want, right? Like the media version.
Correct, media.
Yeah. I bet there's thousands of dollars there. Those look nicer than the picture actually look.
Froggy flips.
So if you've watched the latest handful of videos, you know that we've recently moved pretty much all the day-to-day operations out of the garage and into this building. In fact, here's kind of where we are on the showroom currently. I've made a few tweaks here and there, but it's pretty much always going to be a work in progress. That's kind of the point. In fact, I will show you the latest thing I've been working on so far. It's right through this door over here. What's supposed to be a closet, I have started turning into the, I guess like the personal Star Wars collection. I've had a few questions about it, so I might as well show you. There's still some stuff to add, some recent additions, some cord management and all that. Here's a bunch of the loose figures right here. I'm trying to get to a point where I have one of each complete figure. There's some graded stuff down here, but I think all in all, it's starting to look pretty nice. But the point of this space is to just pretty much house everything, kind of like a headquarters. I have spaces set up for storage, for sorting, for pricing, even for videoing and editing. So at this point, the last thing that is standing in my way of having this place be entirely independent is the fact that I need to clear out my storage unit. I put in the 30-day vacate notice in a while back. Everything's going pretty well here, so I just need to go get it cleared out. Now, in all honesty, there's probably very little in there that I actually want to keep. It's full of a lot of like bulk buys to where I would pull out a thing or two here and there, and the rest would just get piled up in the locker. Long story short, it's full of good stuff, it's full of valuable stuff, but aside from a few things I want to keep, there's very little I personally want to deal with at this point. So I was talking to my buddy Lucas, who I've bought things from numerous times on this channel. He's one of the guys that runs the Facebook group Hilltop Toys. I will link that Facebook group in the description below if you want to check it out. Always cool stuff on there. Rather than going through the whole thing by myself and deciding what I wanted to do with everything, I thought this would be one of those times where I kind of flip the script. Normally you see me going on picks, that's kind of what the channel's about, but today I'm gonna let someone pick me. Lucas is gonna come to the storage unit. He's gonna hopefully make a pile. The more he buys, the better deal I'll give him, because it's just gonna save me time, and that's kind of the name of the game. So hopefully it all goes well and I'm able to maybe recoup a little bit of money and save a bunch of time in the process.
How you doing, man?
Good, man. You?
Good. Good day.
All right. I got a few things pulled out here that, like, my initial plan was to go through it and pull the stuff that wasn't necessarily for sale, but it's mainly my guitars.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
It probably looks like there's more than there is because there's no shelves and things aren't packed well.
That looks pretty good to me.
The only thing that I was gonna, hold on, I got a flashlight. It's not very good. There's some retro Ghostbusters figures back there and some retro Power Rangers. I was gonna keep those, but other than that, man.
Like 90s, you mean? Like,
no, like 2 years ago.
Oh.
Just because they're in packaging.
Oh,
yeah.
For your store.
Yeah.
You sell toys pretty regularly in there too.
Oh man, I can't keep them.
That's good.
Yeah. Other than that, man, whatever you want to do, if you want to pull things out.
Brought you more instruments. I have. You probably don't need more guitars.
A lot of these are empty. Like this is the case to my Jaguar that's hanging on the wall, but the case is just bulky.
Okay.
This is the case to my J45.
Nice.
But it's on my wall.
I'm just carrying this kind of stuff around, man.
I mean, honestly, if you wanted guitars, a couple would be for sale, but I don't really think
playing out and stuff.
Yeah, I pretty much think you'd probably sell them to me though, so it wouldn't really make much sense. This is all like jewelry, which I know that you don't care about that. Wow. That's probably
I remember your jewelry phase on what?
Yeah, man, that's most of it. There is one of these that has like vintage collectible like knickknacks and stuff. So
this wouldn't be good booth stuff.
It's not what I do.
It just kind of goes against the grain.
Yeah, man, we can pull stuff out.
Lead the way, man. I mean,
as much as I've ever been here, no one's ever been in my way. So
line the hallways up.
So let's pull out boxes. You can pull out what you want.
Yeah, well, I brought the van. I didn't know. Yeah. I mean, are you looking to sell out, like clean out? You said something about you had to be out of here.
This has to be. Time. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to pay rent next month.
Mm-hmm. So you're moving everything to the office then, but you don't sell.
Yeah, and there's not a lot that I'm moving out of here. So, like I said, Goodwill's very convenient.
That's nice. It's right here by Goodwill.
Yeah.
Over here.
This is actually a lot of money right here. These are all Monster High dolls.
Yeah. I've dabbled for sure. Wow, that is a lot.
I bought him to sell, and then I was like, My daughter played with them some, and I was like, this is boring.
Yeah, they're a nightmare, but man, they're
I mean, I bet there's thousands of dollars there.
I know they're super like rare exclusives.
Yeah.
So far, I mean, I brought a couple grand, so
okay.
I can make whatever work.
These are all vintage hats. A lot of them need vacuumed out. I sold a few, and I got bored with it. I get bored a lot. That's my problem.
Yeah.
But that's what all of those are.
I enjoy buying. I get bored of selling.
It's kind of how I am too.
This winter, this is the first time I've actually ever like dipped into my stuff I've been saving. Just
oh, really?
Good stuff. It just yeah. Stuff that's not really garage sale worthy, but it isn't like the first thing I'm gonna hurry up with. So.
These are actually complete.
Those are the ones you keep putting online.
Yeah, and like there's people that keep offering stuff and then they don't show up, and it's just I'm not going to ship them. And
they're fully complete.
Yeah, the only thing
like
is
everything.
The handcuffs are cracked.
No.
Know what I mean?
I see.
But they're in there.
That's typical.
Yeah. It actually works too.
Okay.
This I don't know if you saw me buy that. It's missing a few pieces. It's kind of one.
I'd love to have it. Yeah.
It's kind of one of the grails.
Yeah, dude.
I'm getting picky too, like with boxes. Like I want the boxes to be nice and displayable.
If you're gonna be conning it up, dude.
Yeah.
You have to have... Wow. Well, I think we should start moving.
Some of this stuff would be like vehicle shells that I got from you. Even that's what some of this is.
This looks familiar.
Yeah. Like,
oh yeah, some of this is the big box
stuff. I kept like most of like the smaller stuff to sell off.
That AT's good.
It's missing the chin guns, but it's not yellow.
Still got bulb and cover clean. Yeah, dude. I mean.
And then that's missing a couple pieces, but it's a Technodrome.
I kept that piece for you, and I figured you sold it or just moved on past it.
So like I said, that box is not quite up to par for what I want to do.
These are great pieces, man. Don't sell yourself short. I mean, just having the boxes. This is incredible stuff, man.
Oh yeah.
I've been scrounging on eBay for a few months, and just like I said, going through my extras, I'm about out of toys.
If you want any of those back, like, but
parts are parts. I got guys that can use these pieces now that I didn't know back then when I sold this stuff. I even have this tote still.
I've not really been through this box. This was a local guy. Yeah, that's pretty cool actually.
That's a good version. Yeah.
I think that's the version you want, right? Like the media version.
Correct, media.
Yeah.
There's a double flap.
Yeah.
That's good, but that's just. It's still $20. Nice, dude. Well, let's just. Assuming I'll take most everything, let's just get it out here and see.
Okay.
Then we can start fishing through. I don't see anything I'm definitely not interested in so far. So.
Well, I like that you're not picky.
Yeah, I need something to do, man. I need a big buy to process. I need some new video material.
It's pretty cool.
You buy Goodwill.
Some Beast Wars and stuff.
Oh yeah. This might be a couple videos.
Huh?
This might be a couple of videos. My video material's been terrible lately. This is gonna make up for it.
Just a bunch of randomness. Yeah.
God, dude.
I'm recording this just in case there's a video, but if not, it doesn't really matter.
Please do. I took a shower and everything. Yeah, I may do a little snippet of you. I don't know if you want me to plug your.
Oh man, I don't care.
Well, if you want me to or not.
It's all good with me.
I can just do a pass of this stuff and that would be worth watching.
Yeah, that's just all random. Feel free to go through anything and throw things aside too.
Well, it might be at this point. It might be like how much can you fit in the van?
Right.
Maybe 2 trips even. Just to go crazy. Well, what do you want for the whole? The whole kit and caboodle, man. Everything that.
Okay, so.
I brought a couple up $2 grand, so.
I don't know. Would you do like 1,000 for the entire?
Oh, easily, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's really fair, but.
You sure?
I'd probably do like 1,200 just to make it even more fair.
How about 1,000 plus the 2 cards?
Like $1,000 for all the bought off me, and I'm getting half of it back. So,
yeah.
You know what I mean? 1,000 plus cards.
Plus 2 cards. Good.
Plus the.
And then we could actually meet here a couple times.
You can just have the Mads.
Oh, cool.
They're pretty low, so.
Easy enough, dude.
Yeah, let's save the time.
Cool.
I'd rather go home and start digging.
Yeah, that's cool. So
I think this will be 2 trips. My truck.
At least, yeah.
It's not really truck weather.
You just want to plan on Sunday, load up what you can now, and then like plan on Sunday for the rest of it. And I mean, I could always drop a load too.
It's whatever. I've got time.
Okay, cool.
I'm not busy. Well, I'll get you.
Do you want the jewelry stuff, or?
I mean, I guess. I don't know.
It's
not junk. I mean, I do garage sales too, so
Yeah.
that'd be good garage sales
Yeah.
stuff for me, if nothing else.
I mean, there's probably like 100 pounds of it.
Let people dig through. Get the money on paper.
Yeah, there we go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'll get you your cards and stuff.
Awesome, man.
All right, bro.
I wasn't expecting it to be that easy.
Yeah, I mean, this will keep me busy until it warms up, and that helps me.
Cool.
You want to look at your stuff?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll rearrange my van and back it up to the door here. I'll bring you these. You probably already have some, but if you wanted it,
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, the magnets. I have a handful, not this many. Those are cool.
break those up too much.
There we go.
They're legit. In nice down there.
Those look nicer than the picture actually looked.
Yeah, they're pretty clean. The only thing I saw on that Charizard, it's got that factory, that weird little line.
Yeah.
So it's not a bend, it's just a factory, it's almost like an error.
Yeah.
That little line across it.
Center's not bad, though.
I think it's a mid-grade though.
That's so fun.
That's all pins too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, I still kept the mailers on them.
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah, they came when you get them in the mail. My dad signed me up for these forever ago.
I have never, ever seen that
So
before.
like the covers are still perfect.
Oh, that's dope. Yeah, that's cool. Awesome, man. Put those in there.
Go crazy.
All right, so we're back here in the showroom. Obviously, I'm no stranger to the whole just buy everything routine, but I'll tell you, I was not expecting this. It really did catch me off guard, but I am thrilled. One thing I can definitely say about Lucas, he has this uncanny ability to sort and part out. He has a really impressive list of clients that can just come through and clear him out of parts and pieces. So really, the deal makes perfect sense. He was the perfect guy to take this on. At the end of the day, I think he got a great deal. I got to keep my sanity, and I wasn't expected to have stuff to show you, but I did come home with a few things. First of all, it's no secret that I love Mad magazines. I got everything bagged and boarded. This is just a small sampling of them here. A lot of these are from his childhood. Most of them are from the 90s. There's some from the 80s. A few a little bit earlier, but I never get tired of going through Mad magazines. So, like I said, these are all bagged and boarded and ready to go. And then I did walk away with 2 Pokemon cards. We have the Base Set Unlimited Charizard Holo, and we have the Base Set 2 Blastoise. These are going to go into the trade file that I've been building. Hopefully I can tell you more about that later. I have quite a plan coming up with some Pokemon cards that I've been saving for trade recently. Here's a small sampling of some of the cards they'll be joining, like the Base Set Unlimited Blastoise, another Base Set Unlimited Charizard, and to finish off the big 3, Unlimited Base Set Venusaur. We got the Team Rocket Dark Charizard. There's a Celebrations Charizard, the Charizard Reverse Holo, a couple more Charizards, a Machamp, and a Dark Dragonite Holo. And of course the big boy, the first edition PSA 7 Blastoise. This is the card I bought a while back that I sent into PSA myself. In case you never saw what it actually came back as, it was a PSA 7, valued somewhere in the $1,500 range. So like I said, hopefully you'll see more about these soon when this plan goes into action. That is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, love ya, bye.